Are you looking for a company to remodel or renovate your bathroom, but don't know where to start? No worries. Forte Construction and Design can help.
From the start, we had a positive experience working with Forte Construction. They walked us through the process and explained all of our options. Very attentive to detail and very accommodating to all of the specifications that we asked for. The employees were accommodating, punctual, and worked efficiently to get the project completed in a timely manner, especially just before the holidays for us. The work they did was fantastic. The work that they did far exceeded our expectations, and we would recommend them to anyone who would ask.
Call us today at 540-681-1846 to schedule for your free estimate.
To learn more, visit us at forteconstructiondesign.com.